Hello, I'm Leal Pereira. I'm from Portugal, from Marinha Grande. I came to Barcelona to Espronceda in part of Craft for All. It was Art Madeira that is part of this program that sent me here. They asked me if I want to go to a workshop of Guillermo del Valle, a workshop that works metal, in this case alloy, and for me it's perfect because it's my area of working. I'm a welder by profession. I work also stone, gravery, and different types of installations. Also installations that are ephemeral, that are live only in the partial time of space. And with that part, I accept the offer to come to Barcelona right away, and Sprozenda welcomed me like I was in home. Tatiana, Alex, and Maria was very lovely persons to meet. They opened me a lot of doors here in Barcelona, and I'm very grateful for that. I have to thank also Svetlana for putting me here in Barcelona and Art Madeira. In my artistic practice, I do a lot of deconstruction of materials. Materials are normally in trash, so I like to say that I turn material back to matter. And this workshop combines a lot of that because we work with sustainability here. And since we work with sustainability, we have to think about our actions, about what we do and what we can do better. And in this workshop, I work with Claudia, and it was amazing to work with a person from here, especially from the Basque country, because we found common things that we live here in the same peninsula, and that common things made our work feel even more complete. And we work about the elements, the fire and the water, and our AI. It's in between all of that, and is getting us sick in somehow. So our work, La Ferida, reminds me a little bit that we need to go back to nature. We need to go back to our roots and to start over, and to start over in a different way. And sustainability is about that. And Sprocenda and Guillermo did an amazing job with that.